Exchange server users who try to mount data in Exchange database at times might come across issues to mount data due to Exchange server error 501. Most of the time, the error occurs due to corrupt log files, and it generates this error message. There are two solutions available to solve this error. One is the manual method, and the other one is automated solution. In this video, we will let you know in detail the cause of error 501 and its solutions to fix this unexpected Exchange mailbox server error. Corruption in Exchange log files are the main reason behind the error 501. This error usually arises because of lost or damaged log files or corruption in the header of log files. Let's see how to check if log file is corrupted. Open command prompt window on your screen and type the command mentioned here. If you see a message like this, that means the log file is either corrupted or damaged. Let's check out some of the manual methods to fix Exchange server error 501. You can find a backup copy of the log file. You have to find the backup copy of the damaged log files in working condition. Or else you can recover corrupt files using hard drive recovery or by using any reliable third-party solution. If you are having a backup copy of corrupted log files, then discard that damaged log files from Exchange server database. You can restore deleted log file. After removing corrupted log files from the Exchange database, restore that deleted Exchange log files from the backup. Then a temporary file restore.env is created, which stores all log files and helps you remove error 501. You can run the below mentioned etctl command to regenerate log files. This command will repair either damaged or corrupted log file and will delete the restore.env temporary file. These are a few mentioned manual methods. But there are some limitations for the manual methods. So let's take a look at those. Manual methods are very complex and difficult to perform, and it's a time-consuming and a lengthy process as well. Hard drive recovery by use utility is not an easy task. Those who are new to Microsoft Exchange server environment, it is difficult to understand the manual solution to repair corrupted transaction log file. Hence we recommend you to use a trustworthy automated solution named Systools Exchange Log Analyzer. The software is used by many IT professionals, Exchange and new users to repair the corrupt Exchange log file in a simplified manner without using any command. It provides quick and advanced scan mode option to repair the corrupt Exchange log file. Let's check out the working steps to repair corrupt Exchange log file using Systools SQL Log Analyzer. Launch Systools Exchange Log Analyzer. Then select Add File button to load Exchange log file and select Advanced Scan Mode and click Add button. Then you can preview the repaired Exchange log file and hit Export button. So we recommend you to go with the best option available. That is Systools Exchange Log Analyzer. You can see the product page links in the description box below. Thank you for watching.